We're out here. We're welding junk together. Brother gonna get him a new axle put in this son of a gun. Right now we're having trouble with old rusty bolts.
Yep, gotta heat them up, get them off there.
Gotta heat them up and lube them up. That way they go back on after you get them off. Had a hell of a time with that caliper just a second ago. Had to heat up and lube up that bolt there too. That one right there is all rusted, messed up now. Give it the bar.
Yeah, I need it. It's over there by you.
Oh, wrong one.
That's shitty.
Fuck you.
Hit it, Paula. We're done heated her up. Now it's time to break her loose with the bar.
Is that the right way?
Yeah. No. Yeah, that's the right way.
Keep on going until you turn it the right way. There you go.
Yeah, a little bit of heat. A little bit of cheater bar. Now you gotta smack that. Now you gotta smack that socket back off, or just leave it on there.
It's coming off now.
Oh yeah, a little bit of heat.
And about to always come off a little bit of making shit happen. Making it happen, juice. But I feel it. A little heat, a little lube, a little bit more torque in it. Come on. It's just dusty in there. I see it moving side to side. Do use your hammer.
Always small little problems,
Right.
you know. What are you even doing now?
Yeah, just knocking.
Oh gosh, the nut got stuck in the socket.
Yeah, it's almost out right
Oh my gosh.
Put it back up on there. Push it back.
Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Old rusty trucks. Gotta love them.
Right.
This old trooper here. We're gonna be having some fun in this thing here shortly.